Hey guys, we are so happy to welcome you here on our channel. Right now we will show you how to create your special sticker on the Snapchat app. Let's go to the bot chain. The first option is to open the Snapchat app, and what we need to do right now when we are on the default camera screen. Right now we need to open the selected image from which we want to cut the selected piece and save it as a sticker, as a new sticker which you can without any troubles use later and which will be saved in the Snapchat app. It's very cool and convenient, very funny option. So let's check it. We just need to tap on this icon here, go to the camera roll, and as an example I want to use this picture to create a sticker. So how to do it? I need to tap on this sticker option and we need to go to this cut feature. As an example, I have the old one, but I need to tap on this plus icon to create a new one. Right now, as you can check, we need to outline the object we want to save. Okay, so I want to save it as a sticker, this piece. And let's do it. I need to outline it quickly. Okay, so this is my new sticker. And to save it, I need to free my finger. Well done, and this is our new sticker here. So this is definitely very funny. Okay, guys, I hope that you like this option because it's definitely very cool, and you can also add another sticker later. If you want to, for example, use another photo as background, you need to tap on this arrow. Discard changes. Remember that your newly created sticker is actually saved and you can use another photo as a background, for example this one. Okay, let's tap on this sticker, go to your sticker packs, I'm sorry to the cat, and we have our newly created sticker here. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely very interesting and useful. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because here you can find a lot of different tricks about the Snapchat and other applications. So goodbye guys, good luck!